So here we are, my first ever ride on River Rafts here at Chessington World of Adventures Resort. This may kill my phone. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Hiya! I'm tipping quite a lot. I'm tipping. Yeah. But watch out for monkeys. Fast moving rapids. Alright, here we are. We are at the lift hill. The lift hill with no visible anti-rollbacks. So yeah. Oh, we've stopped. I'm about to get rear-ended by a grumpy theme park dude. Oh, we're on the move. We are on the move. I mean, it's been very relaxing so far. Talking in the car is weird because of how it is. You've got a lot of reverb in here. Oh. Alright. Are we ready? Because I'm not. Oh, God. This was dumb. Oh, here we go. Ah! Oh! God damn, that's wet. It went right in my eye. So yeah, that happened. Oh look, here he is. So yeah, that was River Rafts, the mini log flume, here at Chessington World of Adventures.